Good evening. We begin tonight with new information just released late this afternoon on the deaths of a mother and her 2 children found inside a burned-out mobile home.
The medical examiner's office just ruled they were all victims of homicide. And the ME's office tells us that Katrina Griffin died from multiple sharp force trauma. Her son Christian died from multiple stab wounds, and daughter Chastity from smoke inhalation and thermal injuries. Those rulings come the same day that murder suspect Sean Bosse appeared in court again in Purcell. News 9's Gan Matthews reports the hearing raised questions of how long someone can be held without being charged.
The yellow tape has been replaced by balloons, bears, and flowers. But the investigation into what happened inside this mobile home and how Katrina Griffin and her 2 children died is ongoing, even though it seems certain Sean Bosse will be charged.
At this point in time, we anticipate filing at least 3 counts of murder in the first degree.
But what the judge and Bosse's attorney want to know is when? When will the DA file those charges? Mashburn says because of the complicated nature of the case, it could be another week to 10 days. If it takes another 10 days, that means Bosse would have spent 2 weeks in jail without being charged. Is that legal?
I think it is legal. It is a little bit unusual, but I see it happen on an oftentimes basis.
Meanwhile, the OSBI has posted a picture of Bosse's pickup on its website. OSBI hopes somebody will recognize it and help determine where he was the day before and the evening following the fire. Until the investigation is over, the DA won't be rushed into filing.
We're going to make sure that we file the right charges on the right person, and we're going to have all the information in front of us before we do that. That's just the responsible way to do it.
Death came quickly here. The wheels of justice, as always, turn according to their own speed. Gan Matthews, News 9.
Now both sides will be back in court Monday to argue the issue. The DA says it's possible he will be ready to file charges.